Applied Materials is poised for significant growth in 2025. Welcome back to Old School Investments, where we break down the latest in the stock market. Today, we're diving into Applied Materials, ticker symbol Applied Materials, and why it could be a great buy for 2025. We'll cover the company's recent earnings, their outlook, and why 2025 looks promising. Stick around till the end for a bonus topic that you won't want to miss. Applied Materials recently reported its third quarter 2024 results, and while the short-term outlook may seem cautious, the long-term picture is bright. The company saw its sales grow by about 2% quarter-over-quarter and 5% year-over-year, reaching $6.78 billion. Their gross margin also improved to 47.4%, signaling operational efficiency. Management is guiding for sales of around $6.93 billion in the next quarter, aligning well with market expectations. So, why the caution for the rest of 2024? One key issue is their exposure to the Chinese market. Shipments to China have been declining, making up only 32% of total revenue this quarter compared to 43% last quarter. This drop is expected to weigh on AMAT's performance in the second half of 2024. However, we don't expect this to affect 2025. The real game changer for Applied Materials is wafer fabrication equipment, or WFE. WFE is the backbone of semiconductor manufacturing. When companies invest more in WFE, it signals future demand for products like smartphones, PCs, and even AI servers. While we expected a rebound in WFE spending by the end of 2024, macroeconomic factors have delayed this recovery. But don't lose hope, 2025 looks promising. Why 2025? Gartner's report from July predicts a modest 2.6% growth in WFE revenue this year, with more significant growth of 7.5% in 2025 and continued high single-digit growth in 2026. We're also optimistic about potential interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve this fall, which could spur economic activity and, in turn, demand for semiconductors. Applied Materials isn't just any player in the semiconductor space. They're a leader in etch and deposition technologies, crucial for manufacturing advanced chips. As AI and high-bandwidth memory demand grows, especially from major clients like TSMC, which manufactures NVIDIA's chips, Applied Materials stands to benefit significantly. So, what's the bottom line? While the near term might see some turbulence, the long-term outlook for Applied Materials is strong. As we move into 2025, we expect a rebound in demand for edge devices like PCs and smartphones, further boosted by AI server demand. This will drive up WFE spending, making Applied Materials a solid investment choice. To understand the significance of WFE, we need to delve a bit deeper into the semiconductor manufacturing process. Wafer fabrication equipment is essential for creating the intricate circuits on silicon wafers, which are the building blocks of all electronic devices. These machines etch patterns and deposit materials with extreme precision, enabling the production of smaller, faster, and more efficient chips. As demand for advanced electronics grows, so does the need for cutting-edge WFE. In recent years, the semiconductor industry has faced various challenges, including supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions. These factors have impacted the overall demand for WFE, but the long-term trends remain positive. The rise of artificial intelligence, 5G technology, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are driving the need for more powerful and energy-efficient semiconductors. Applied Materials, with its expertise in etch and deposition technologies, is well positioned to capitalize on these trends. One of the most exciting aspects of AMAT's future is its involvement in AI and high-bandwidth memory. AI applications require massive computational power, which in turn demands advanced semiconductors. High-bandwidth memory, or HBM, is a critical component for AI systems, providing the speed and capacity needed to process vast amounts of data. As AI adoption continues to grow, so will the demand for HBM, benefiting companies like Applied Materials that supply the necessary equipment. AMAT's relationship with TSMC, one of the world's largest semiconductor foundries, is another key factor in its growth prospects. TSMC manufactures chips for major companies, including NVIDIA, a leader in AI and graphics processing. As TSMC expands its production capabilities to meet the rising demand for NVIDIA's products, Applied Materials stands to gain from increased orders for etch and deposition equipment. This symbiotic relationship underscores the importance of strategic partnerships in the semiconductor industry. Looking ahead, the semiconductor market is poised for significant growth, driven by innovations in technology and increasing consumer demand. The transition to 5G networks, for example, will require new generations of smartphones and other connected devices, all of which rely on advanced semiconductors. Similarly, the proliferation of IoT devices, from smart home gadgets to industrial sensors, will further boost the need for high-performance chips. The automotive industry is another area where semiconductor demand is set to soar. Modern vehicles are becoming increasingly reliant on electronic components, from advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, to infotainment and connectivity features. Electric vehicles, EVs, and autonomous driving technologies are pushing the boundaries of what semiconductors can achieve, creating new opportunities for companies like Applied Materials. Despite the current challenges, the long-term outlook for Applied Materials remains strong. The company's strategic focus on innovation, coupled with its leadership in key technologies, positions it well for future growth. As we move into 2025, we anticipate a rebound in demand for edge devices like PCs and smartphones, further boosted by AI server demand. This will drive up WFE spending, making Applied Materials a solid investment choice. Before we get to our bonus topic, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more old-school investment insights. Now, for our bonus topic. Did you know that Applied Materials is not only a leader in semiconductor manufacturing equipment but also has a significant presence in the display technology market? They provide equipment for manufacturing OLED screens, which are used in the latest smartphones and TVs. This diversification adds another layer of growth potential for the company, making it even more attractive for long-term investors. Applied Materials' involvement in the display technology market is often overshadowed by its semiconductor business, but it is an important part of the company's portfolio. OLED, or organic light-emitting diode, technology is revolutionizing the display industry with its superior image quality, energy efficiency, and flexibility. OLED screens are becoming increasingly popular in high-end smartphones, televisions, and even wearable devices. The demand for OLED displays is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, driven by consumer preferences for better visual experiences and the adoption of new form factors, such as foldable and rollable screens. As a leading supplier of OLED manufacturing equipment, Applied Materials is well positioned to benefit from this trend. The company's advanced technologies enable manufacturers to produce OLED panels with higher yields and lower costs, making it a key player in the display market. In addition to OLED, Applied Materials is also involved in other cutting-edge display technologies, such as micro-LED and quantum dot displays. These technologies promise even greater performance improvements and new applications, further expanding AMAT's growth opportunities. By diversifying its product offerings and staying at the forefront of display innovation, Applied Materials is building a strong foundation for future success. There you have it, folks. A deep dive into why Applied Materials could be a winning stock for 2025. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more old-school investment insights. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on Applied Materials and what other stocks you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay invested and stay informed.